In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your website traffic using the Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or just getting started with your first site, understanding the flow of visitors is crucial for effective management. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily access this valuable information. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. Make sure you're logged into your account on Hostinger's platform. Once you're on the hostinger.com homepage, glance over to the top right corner and click on Login. Enter your credentials, and you'll be swiftly directed to your hPanel. Once inside the hPanel, locate and click on the Websites tab in the dashboard. This section displays all of your managed websites. You'll see a list view showcasing all your websites with Hostinger. Here, choose the website whose traffic details you're interested in. Click on the Edit Website button next to it. This action will transport you into the Website Builder interface, specifically designed for that site. Now that you're in the Website Builder's dashboard, take a look at the centralized space where much of your site's technical magic happens. Notice the toolbar that's laden with options to modify and enhance your site. But for our purpose today, turn your attention to the More button. Click it for more insights hidden in the drop-down menu. Within this menu, find and select Analytics. This is where the heart of your website's traffic data resides. Hostinger provides this feature to equip you with powerful analytics without needing a separate tool. Once you access the Analytics section, you're now only a step away from viewing this essential information. In the Analytics menu, you'll see the Traffic Overview button. Click on it, and this will lead you to a comprehensive display of your website's traffic data. Here, you can visually digest crucial statistics about your visitors. The overview will show you various metrics such as the number of visitors, their geographical locations, session duration, and more. It's a snapshot of your site's performance that can inform your strategy for attracting and retaining users. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly monitor your website's traffic on Hostinger. Navigating through your website's analytics empowers you with knowledge that can drive decisions to improve content, enhance engagement, and ensure your site thrives. Remember, regular checks can give you insight into peaks and troughs in visitor numbers, helping you to better manage your site's capacity and devise marketing strategies. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Keep exploring for more tips on managing your website with Hostinger. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy analyzing!